Morning to everyone. My name is Sujana. Today I am going to explain the Hungarian method which is used to solve an assignment problem. An assignment problem helps us find the best way to assign workers to jobs so that the total cost is minimum or total profit is maximum. In this problem we have 4 workers, 4 and 4 jobs. The cost matrix given and our objective is find the minimum cost assignment. Step 1 is row reduction. In this Hungarian method, the first step is row reduction. Here we find the smallest element each row and subtract it from every element of that row. This create at least 1 0 in every row. Original cost matrix is this: 9 2 7 8 6 4 3 7 5 8 1 8 7 6 9 4. Row reduction. Minimum is 2. 9 minus 2 7. 2 minus 2 0. 7 minus 2 5. 8 minus 2 6. Next minimum is 3. 6 minus 3 3. 4 minus 3 1. 3 minus 3 0. And 7 minus 3 4. Next row minimum is 1. 5 minus 1 4. And 8 minus 1 7. 1 minus 1 0. 8 minus 1 7. Next row is minimum is 4. 7 minus 4 3. 6 minus 4 2. 9 minus 4 5. And 4 minus 4 0. This was row reduction matrix. After finding the minimum value in each row and subtracting it from every element of that row where obtain the row reduced matrix, we can see that every row now contains at least 1 0. Next step is column reduction. Now we find the smallest element in each column of the row reduce matrix and subtract it from every element in that column. This create at least 1 0 in every column. Column minimum is 3. 3 minus 7 minus 3 7 minus 3 4. And 3 minus 3 0. And 4 minus 3 1. 3 minus 3 0. And this column is 0. This all values is same: 0 1 7 and 2. This is also 5 0 0 and 5. This is also same: 6 4 7 0. Next, I perform column reduction. I subtract the minimum value of each column from all elements in that column. After columns reduction, every column contains at least 1 0. Step 3 is make assignments. Now we make assignments using independent zeros. Same as column reduction matrix: 4 0 1 0 0 1 7 2 5 0 0 5 6 4 7 0. And this row is 1 0. Make a column. And this row is no zeros, no 1 zeros. Next is 1 0. Make a column. Next is no one the column zeros. Next zeros. and make a row, and this also 0 and make a row. Worker 1 is job B, worker 2 is job A, and worker 3 is job C, and worker is 4 job D.